Hey Sam, have you ever thought about cloud mining?
Cloud mining? What is that?
It is a way to mine a cryptocurrency without having to buy and maintain expensive mining equipment. You rent hashing power from cloud mining service and they do the mining for you.
Awesome. That sounds interesting. How do I start?
First of all, you gotta choose a cloud mining service, do some research, and find a reputable one that fits your budget.
Okay, I got it. What is next?
Okay, the next is you have to create an account with a cloud mining service and choose a mining plan that fits your goal. Then configure your mining settings and start the mining process.
That sounds easy. Thank you, Alex.
Yeah, but remember that cloud mining isn't always profitable. And it comes with risk like scams and fluctuating cryptocurrency prices. So do your research, read reviews, and only invest what you can afford to lose.
Thanks for your heads up, Alex. I'll definitely look into it. By the way, Alex, how do you know all of this?
This is because I have subscribed to Coinbotics because they make a video on trending tech topics. So make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye. See you in the next video.